people. Cameron. What?
Me again.
Yeah.
You have to eat on the go, did you?
Did you have to eat, Cam?
Yeah.
So Catherine's just got back from a little, let's just call it a big boy hiking group, and we went to the Wellington and had a little snack while he was away. We shouldn't have told him that because now he's probably jealous.
Well, my dad already told me that.
It's fine, isn't it, buddy?
Yeah.
So yeah, we're doing another Crew of Fun video, and this one's a mix between a coaster crew and a Crew of Fun. It's so we're going to what's called firework, because it was bonfire night recently, and a village nearby is doing a special thing, and we've went there before, and they usually have rides and attractions.
So we're
gonna we might do some POVs and stuff for with camera, and yeah, it'll be pretty good.
And what Crew of Fun and what is it? Coaster Crew. That's so we like mixed.
Yeah, it's gonna be a mixed video, and we're gonna have our food. We're going out for food, so we're gonna do a food review on the food at the Belvedere restaurant in Stoney.
A special guest is coming to the bonfire.
A special guest,
Yeah.
Sandra.
Sandra.
So you'll meet her later. We're not sure if she wants to be on tape or not. We'll see. So we'll see you at the Belvedere, maybe.
Bye.
We don't know. We don't even know. Are we going to Stonehaven now?
No, we're ready to pick up Sandra.
So we're away to pick up the special guest. We've got plenty of time. So we'll have you some talking, and we'll see you when we have a special Sandra guest.
What's up? It's me, Cameron. Crew of Fun. We will do Crew of Fun and Coaster Crew at the bonfire night. We have the guest. We have the guest just walking up there. Right, she doesn't want to film. Get on camera. So we're excited. Did you see any fireworks on camera? Just comment down below in the chat and say we found how much and like what colours. And if we don't see it, we will watch this video. And see me? Daddy's my dad. Yes! No, Daddy's going in the middle. He's going in the middle, guys! You can go in the middle. Yes. So guys.
You managed to get him?
Yeah. This is gonna be cool, guys. Cool.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
What's the camera? So I'm trying to put my seatbelt on. But now might be a bit hard because my dad is a bit fat.
I'm not fat. Stop calling me fat.
Stand up. Stand up.
Oh, no, he's saying stand up.
No, stand up.
I can't stand up in a car, can I?
Let me get my
Right, get your belt on then.
Get my belt's on.
Your belt's
Cam's
on.
belt's on.
I'll get cams on.
Get my belt on.
Right, G-Funks.
You don't need a seatbelt on. Guys, we're gonna do a time lapse.
Are we? Oh yeah.
Yeah, so see you.
Yeah, it's a time lapse.
Bye. Bye,
Time
guys.
lapse.
So we have just arrived. All the doors are closing. We've parked about 5 miles away because there's lots of queues because it's very popular this festival, lakefront.
Film me.
So we're going to film Cameron. Cameron, you're going to film me. So here.
Bye. We'll change your camera out.
We'll fill you in when we get to the Belvedere and if we have something to say. Hello people, we are at the restaurant, the nice, lovely modern restaurant, the Belvedere, located in Stonehaven. Gosh, people from Glasgow come down here just to try the Luxie's waffles. Oh yes, they've got barbecue donuts too, but the same brand is served here as well. So yes. I'm having a mac and cheese, and what are you having, my friend? Sausages and pickles. Yeah, so we're really excited for the meal. It's very fun. And fireworks. And after it, we're having fireworks. But we've got plenty of time until the fireworks start, so it's going to be a pretty epic meal. I'm looking forward to it. It's been ages since I've been here. By God, it's been a very long time. Absolutely long time. So yes, we will be back soon when our food arrives, and we'll do a food review per usual when we go to restaurants.
Yeah, we're meeting.
Oh, we're just leaving the restaurant now. Unfortunately, we couldn't film the food because it's very secretive, you know. But we understand that.
The food was so lovely, we couldn't film it, we had to eat it.
I know. So yes, we are outside now, and this is the restaurant, everybody. So everybody.
Yeah, it was lovely.
So now it's time to go to the fireworks and get some food and go on some rides. We're excited to film you on the Coaster Crew POVs of the Coaster Crew Fun. We're excited to film you on all the rides and take you on board for some POVs for some of the rides if we're not too famous. Remember, we don't really take the GoPro much because we're getting a new GoPro soon. So expect to see that maybe, probably, probably. Anyways, empty window display there, and let's go! Hello rest of the crew of fun. So we're all excited to go, as you can see, to the Stonehaven fireworks display 2022, one. Sorry. And I deliberately said 2022 for fun.
2021.
Probably the 2021, 2022. 2021 or 2022.
Yeah.
2001.
So yes, people, we will fill you in the river. Do you want us to? We could do a walking time lapse, maybe, possibly.
Yeah.
All right, a walking time lapse. Guys, you can barely see me, but we've entered the park. See, so we're just making our way to the theme park rides now at the carnival. So exciting! We'll take you on some POVs and we'll tell you what rides are. Look at me! So yeah. So we're in the queue for this ride. Fast and Furious. We're not allowed to film on this ride, but we'll film on this ride. Probably film on this ride. So yeah. We'll see you then. We'll see you when you come off the ride. We'll give you some off-road footage of the ride from the queue, okay?
I've not seen that one moving yet.
No, that's what Mum said, it takes so long to sell. I think because the people pay, by cars or phones or, believe it or not, paying by
So we're allowed to film on most rides, but the Spinner and Fast and Furious we're not allowed to film on because they're too.
See what I was on right now. See what I was on.
So we'll do the ghost house later. I mean the fun house, not
See
ghost
what I was
house.
on?
But it's like a ghosty fun house
It's
mix.
worth the wait.
It's a walk through. I would definitely worth the wait. You should come by next year. Don't even. Easy to miss. I mean, not easy to miss, hard to miss. Big fun fair. So the display will be starting shortly. We'll film the display for the entertainment of you guys because we love you so much. Hello people from the fireworks. Look at them go. We're not that loud to start with, but they do get loud.
Oh, it's an amazing, eh? And we get
Woo! Everywhere. Oh my god. This is crazy. It feels like we're gonna land right in your head.
feels like they're on our head.
Barclays Bank, everybody. LOL. These are all fireworks. Woo!
Pretty good timing, was it?
Woo! That was a big one and a crackle. Wow! Another big one and crackle. You can surprisingly hear us over the loud bangs. We're invisible coming up. You cannot see them coming up.
No.
It's right above us. It's amazing. Good spot.
Good spot.
Magic.
Look at those sparklers in there.
Yeah.
Look down there. Oh,
See him
good.
come over there?
Come on, are we having technical delays or something? I think we're having technical delays. There we go. No, the bangings. Woo! You can surprisingly hear us.
We can't hear them banging much.
Have I already said you can surprisingly hear us? Like, every firework has a noise meter on the back of it.
Yeah.
They might just have a
These are just some littler ones. Where's a big banger?
Oh, banger.
Bang! Another banger!
green ones are good.
Got you.
Green one.
Got you
Green
another
one.
green one. Green ones are bangers. It's just the green ones now. How? Baby.
Green one. Two colors.
Bang!
Colour. Oh, look at this one.
I wonder what. Wow. Wait, what? They're gonna fall on us.
They won't fall.
Wow. Oh God. They're gonna fall on us. It feels like we're gonna fall on you. Flashing lights are falling on you. Flashing lights are falling on you. How do you see it? Ah, everywhere. Woohoo! Probably the only thing that's hurting me is my head. Because I'm training my head up.
I love the ride we just went on. She was so good.
Yeah, we're gonna do some more rides after the display. Oh my god, look, the rides are still going. People don't care about the rides. We're just still going on the rides. These are gonna be bang. Oh, these aren't bangers. These are silent. Better not bring your dog here. Three. Single one sounds like doo, and then double one sounds like doo. Oh no, beautiful John. Wow. Wow. Wow, you can't see me. How come they're bringing How come they're bringing their dogs? Why would people bring their dogs to a firework display?
They're also window.
I had it off. Oh, I had it off. And you have this
They like exploders.
Oh, cool.
Wow, that's a big one. Orange ones. I'm sure we'll make more. Oh, sparkles. Impressive.
Impressive, aren't
How
they?
do we make fireworks?
Pyrotechnics.
You have fire and you have wood.
See over there. I'll zoom
You
in
should
for
have
you.
moved it.
That's the ride.
You see if they do that.
There's a big bonfire as well.
Whoa!
Is there a bonfire? These are some. Oh, these are some. Those are swirling Catherine.
Whoa!
Oh, there's big ones over there.
That's the biggest one.
Catherine.
Watch it fall, buddy. Oh, here's one.
It's quite a big display, as you can see.
Massive display.
Yeah, good display.
Put your hoodie up, bud. Put your hoodie up.
Da-da-da-da-da!
That's a good one.
That's a good one. Whoa!
That's the largest one yet.
That was a big one.
Film it.
Keep going over here.
Oh,
Do you want this to be your new
yeah.
profile page picture? Do you want these fireworks to be your profile picture for your phone? Because I'll do it. I'm taking photos of him as well for you guys to look on our Instagram page if you don't want to see the full video. You can also make a shorter video of the fireworks this way if you want. It's up to you guys. Tell us in the main video, we'll tell you.
Tell us on the chat.
Look at the fire, it's still blazing. So there's over 10,000 people here. And yeah, we only waited like 20 minutes for the ride. It's not that long.
There we go. Get that one.
They're everywhere.
It's even better than Aberdeen's one. These are so close.
Wow. Amazing. Take screenshots of this and make your profile picture for your phone. That's what I'm doing.
Okay. Yeah.
Daddy, can you see me?
Right above us as well. Cam, you okay? Stand up, buddy. Sandy Claus.
Spend more money on these fireworks.
Ah, well done. He's right. Do you want to go on the indie train and then the waltzers? Or should we go on the waltzers first?
Just go in the water, I think.
Yeah, waltzers and then indie train the first time.
Well, not the flying thing.
Well, we're better and faster on waltzers.
It
Crazier.
might be even bigger though.
Well, we should start walking now, shouldn't we? We can wait. We have all day.
What over here?
These are nice ones. Beautiful.
bang, 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 bang.
The dregs.
Bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang.
Stick my.
So long.
Yeah, so that's probably about over. So it's about over. So we'll just put it on and we'll tell. No, we're not going to put it on. We'll show you the entire thing. But oh, here's a big one. Look at it.
You wanted it off.
Look it goes. It seems like it's about over.
That's them.
No, not two more.
All the little ones finishing off.
Wait, it's a shame we didn't have a soundtrack.
I think that is a soundtrack. Do you know?
You got that a soundtrack, but the fireworks, in like other ones, the fireworks were beat.
Ah, okay.
So it's like firework do, firework do, firework do. Oh wow, I don't think it's over yet. Almost. It must have taken a while to set up. That's why it's so late.
Check.
And for it to be done.
More.
Maybe. No, another one. Oh, that's a big one. It's going very far.
Oh wow.
And there's not much up. Bang, bang. Oh, that'd be nice. I'm taking off the photos right now. Crew! Oh, fun! That was a real fun one. Woo!
Bang, 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 bang.
Just when you thought it was finished.
My head is sore by looking up.
It's okay. Oh.
Stimulus. And a bang! Wanna fall on our head.
God.
Really? Whoa.
How come they just disappear before they go to the
I
ground?
know.
It's magic.
Okay. Oh, it's like they've deflected. Oh, cool.
Yeah, we're deflecting off of each other. Look, guys. Well, you might not be able to see it. What? Hey! 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 Woo!
My head is getting
Well, don't look then.
I'm looking.
I tried to watch you, you know.
So yes, people. So yeah, people, we have finished. We're wrapping up the day. We've done a few rewrites and we went on the Sizzler.
Guys, look at me
Spinner,
on
right,
the
whatever.
camera. Look at me on the camera.
Oh,
Guys,
he's so dizzy.
don't show. I like.
Oh my
it was
God.
so fun.
Peppa Pig. Look, it says Peppa Pig on it. Anyways, so we will see you, lovely great. Yeah, I know. We'll see you, great people, in the next video of Crew of Fun. And so we are just at the thing. So we're gonna do hookah duck. We're going to do hookah duck, I guess, and then we're going to wrap things up and do the outro. So let's see if you can win something from hookah duck. I'll do it.
I'm trying to get a duck so I can get a duck.
I'll try one. Can I do it as well?
No, I'm doing it first, guys.
Yeah. We're from Cameron doing it. So you just need to get the duck on the pole.
Alright.
See if you
Good
can.
Cam.
Come on, Cam. Don't get
Good
touched.
Campbell. That's it.
Hey! Well done, Cameron. Put it there.
Go to duck, everybody!
Says, let's put it here.
Looky.
Pick a prize, any prize. How many did you pay for?
Two shots. Two shots. Cool, Jamie.
So, Cam, hold the camera.
A ball.
You want a ball?
Go on. Go on, that's it.
Thank you.
Go on, pick a prize, any prize.
Let's go for Slinky.
Yo-yo.
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 Thanks.
Thank you.
I got an emoji yo-yo and he got a bouncy
Get
ball.
back to your mum before she goes mental.
So we are just going to wrap the video up here. There's some bouncers on a trampoline. We'll see you in the next one. See you guys. Bye.